The different safety mechanisms that are integrated into the Flytrex FTX drone system are very similar in fashion to what you'd find in crewed aviation, like a Boeing or Cessna aircraft.
The Flytrex drone has redundant systems, so if a propeller goes out, we still have other propellers to ensure that it will fly safely back. If we have battery failures, we have extras, flight critical components, redundant. So the Flytrex system builds this in to ensure that the drone is safe to operate and can maintain flight.
Battery power is what's used to keep the motor spinning and to keep the drone airborne. So in the event that one of the 6 battery fails, there is that backup redundancy to one of the neighboring batteries will be able to power 2 motors for a period of time that will allow it to land safely at the nearest established location. And this all happens autonomously without any requirement for the operator